Page 80. We are on page 80，这是第80页，而且今天我们要做的就是复习第4到第6个单元。我们先看这个视频，然后我们做这个小 quiz，然后我们一起听，还有 tick 吧。Okay, review unit. Let's watch the video and do the quiz. Wait a minute. There is no video. Okay, there is no video. There is no quiz. So let's listen and tick. What are we listening to? Let's just do it and see.
Listen and tick. 1,
I was in the countryside at the weekend with my cousin.
2,
I was in the countryside in the weekend with my cousin. All right, so we have two choices for activity number 1. Was she in the town or was she in the countryside? She was in the countryside, so it's B. Let's listen to 2 together.
My sweater was green and yellow.
My sweater was green and yellow. Yeah, that one was easy. This is a sweater. 3.
3,
The weather was hot but cloudy.
Weather was hot but cloudy. Yes, hot but cloudy.
4,
There were rabbits in a field.
This is so easy.
5,
And in the evening, there were bats too. They were cool.
In the evening, there were bats too. They were cool. In the evening, there were bats, not lions.
6,
My cousin's got straight blonde hair. Mine's darker and curlier than hers. In this photo, we're jumping on the grass.
All right. This one had a little bit of 废话. She said, my cousin's got straight blonde hair. My hair is dark and curly. In this photo, we are jumping on the grass. Not climbing a tree. We are jumping on the grass.
7,
My cousin jumps like a kangaroo.
My cousin jumps like a rabbit, or my cousin jumps like a kangaroo. Kangaroo.
8,
But when we swim, I'm quicker than she is. My dad says I swim like a dolphin.
When we swim, I'm quicker. 我更快. My dad says I swim like a penguin or swim like a dolphin. My dad says I swim like a dolphin. Cool. All right, that was fairly easy, guys. What do you think? Play the game. In pairs, I want you to choose, give clues, and guess. Okay. All right, actually, I'm going to play this game with you. Okay, 我会给你一些暗示. I'm going to give you clues. 还有你要猜我在说哪一个. Guess which one I am saying. Okay? Number 1. This animal is between the penguin and the rabbit. Did you guess bear? If you did, you get a star. Whoop-de-doo! Number 2. This animal is near a plant and below a bird. Near a plant, below a bird. Below a bird. Oh no! It's the bat. Near a plant 的思是在一个植物附近 Below a bird 的思是在一个 bird 下面 You get a star. And number 3. This animal wants to fly but can't. This animal wants to fly but can't. The answer is the penguin. He can't fly, but he wants to. Actually, everybody wants to. I want to. Woo! Oh, I'm flying. Wahoo! Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Let's go on to the other one. Let's go to the next page. Where are Aunt Laura's things? Find and circle. Okay. Aunt Laura's coat is the longest one. Okay, so I see some coats here. Which one is Aunt Laura's coat? It's the longest one. 最长的那个. It's the purple one. Right? Stop it, do it, come on back. E-I-E-I-O. Ready for me to help you with the answers? She's got 2 scarves. The second one on the wall downstairs is hers, and the shortest one is hers too. The second one, and the shortest one. 最短的那个. Her boots are on the floor upstairs. They're bigger than the boots downstairs. Her sweater is on the chair below the clock. That's the sweater, below the clock. And where's her son? Oh, look, he's hiding on the stairs. Her son is hiding on the stairs. Neat. Okay, well, let's write about you. What's the weather like today? The weather today is good. The weather today is fiery. Ah, there's fire in the air. Help me. It's a volcano. What was the weather like yesterday? The weather were rainy yesterday. Right? No. The weather 是一个东西，所以就是一个 it. The weather was rainy yesterday. Remember? What clothes do I wear to school? 一般来说, I wear no clothes to school. What's the biggest animal you know? I know a ghost that is as big as the earth. 我认识过一个地球那么大，地球一样大的一个鬼。What's your oldest cousin's name? My oldest cousin's name is Burple. Burple. Where were you yesterday? I was on the toilet. And in the toilet. Swimming. Where were you yesterday? Who's the youngest person in my family? The youngest person in my family is Tiny Tim. Tiny Tim. He's the little man who lives in my pocket. 他住在我的口袋里. Hi, Tiny Tim. Aw, he's cute. Okay, Tiny Tim, it's time to go to the activity book. We're on page 80 of the activity book. And just go ahead and move myself over here. Listen and circle.
Listen and circle. 1,
Hi, I'm Sally. Look at this photo.
Okay.
It was sunny and hot yesterday. We were on my grandparents' balcony. They live on the second floor. In the photo, I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
Okay. So, hi, I'm Sally. In the photo, 她在讲一个照片. In the photo, it is hot and sunny. I was on my grandparents' balcony. 我在我的爷爷奶奶的阳台上. They live on the second floor. 他们住在第二楼. I was wearing a shirt and shorts. Okay? Hey, easy. Why don't you do number 2, number 3, number 4 with me now?
2.
Hello, I'm Jane. This is a picture of me yesterday. It was cloudy and windy. We were in my village. I'm wearing a scarf.
3.
Hello, I'm Tony. This is a picture of me with my cousin Jack. He lives in the town centre, and we're near his house. I'm wearing his sweater because it was cold that day.
4.
Hi, I'm Fred. This is a photo of me and my aunt. In this photo, there was a lot of snow. We're near the lake, and I'm wearing my new boots.
All right, did you get it? Let's listen again.
And shorts.
2.
2.
Hello, I'm Jane.
Hi.
This is a picture of me yesterday. It was cloudy and windy.
Cloudy, windy.
We were in my village.
Village, 小镇.
I'm wearing a scarf.
Scarf.
3.
Hello, I'm Tony.
Tony.
This is a picture of me with my cousin Jack. He lives in the town centre, and we're near his house.
Town center.
I'm wearing his sweater because it was cold that day.
Sweater. Because it was cold.
4.
Hi, I'm Fred. This is a photo of me and my aunt. In this photo, there was a lot of snow.
Snow.
We're near the lake, and
Near a
I'm
lake.
wearing my new boots.
New boots. Near a lake, a who, and new boots. Badoo. That was a pretty good one. Here we go. Compare two animals. Use the words from the box. A bat and a panda. Compare them. 比较它们. Use these words, okay? 比如说, a bat can fly, but a panda can't. Okay? 那可以用 but. A kangaroo can jump, but a whale can't. A bear can eat humans, but a penguin can't. All right, I'm going to actually make this one your homework. So do that one for your homework. Right now, let's go over here onto the other side and do the last page of this lesson. Read and draw. Look at my animal picture. The whale is the biggest 最大 animal. It's in the middle of the picture. middle的意思是中间. There's a dolphin above the whale. Wait a minute. There's no dolphin above the whale. Let's draw it. Dolphin is like this. It's like, ooh, oh yeah. It's like a dolphin, then a dolphin's face is kind of like that, and it's like, oh yeah, I'm a dolphin. Wee, I love being a dolphin. Dolphins are kind of happy. All right. There's a dolphin above the whale. It's not as big as the whale, but it's bigger than a penguin. Whew, good. I drew it good. The penguin is below the whale. The smallest animal in my picture is near the penguin. It's a bat. Let's draw a bat near the penguin. Bee, bee, bee. This is a cute bat. And there is a rabbit next to the bat. Okay, got to draw a rabbit too. Rabby. Oops, I accidentally made like a... This might not be the best rabbit in the world. Whee! Ah, my eye. Okay. Okay, that rabbit is a little bit weird. Alright, there is a rabbit next to the bat. Sweet. Did you draw it too? Send me your drawing in the group. I want to see it. Write about your family using words from the boxes. Alright. My grandma's hair is the curliest. My aunt's butt is the biggest. 她的屁股是最大。My cousin's hair is straighter than my hair. 'Cause my hair is a little bit curly. We got my grandpa's arms are shorter than my nose. 我的爷爷的手臂比我的鼻子还要短。I am uglier than all of my family members. 我比我所有的家人都丑。I am clever, but my sister is funny. My sister is funny and stupid. My sister is 搞笑和笨，而且我很聪明。What about you? Show me what you got by sending these to the group. Let's look for a video to watch. All right, here is an interesting video. It's cheese. What in the world? How is he doing that? This is crazy. What? I know that guy. That's Wallace from Wallace and Gromit. Oh, that was sweet. Okay, guys, gotta go. See you next time.